Health and hygiene are dependent upon good food, clean water, basic sanitation, facilities like clean, odor-free toilets. All countries provide toilets, biotoilets, portable toilets, septic tank. But what about biodegradation of human fecal waste? Market is full of sanitation and cleaning products which contain acids and chemicals which are hazardous to health. Damages pipelines, allows clogging which leads to foul odor. Bacta Cult Degrader is the solution. Bacta Cult Degrader degrades fecal waste, keeps pipeline clog-free and removes odor. It is 100% organic, chemical-free bacterial product and completely safe to the environment. How does it work? Naturally occurring non-pathogenic high-performance bacteria are packed in 40 grams water-dissolving pouches of cellulosic starch. Simply toss the self-dissolving water-soluble packet into commode or shit pot and allow the miraculous microbes to do the cleanup. Bacta Cult Degrader opens up choked pipelines, biodegrades fecal matter, and makes toilet odor-free.
A biotoilet using Bacta Cult Degrader generate low BOD and low COD. The water treated can be used for gardening purpose. Bacta Cult Degrader is a boon for septic tank and biotoilet maintenance.
When added in septic tank, it releases trillion of microbes which eat away the septic tank sludge. It drastically reduces septic tank cleaning frequency. Swachh Bharat Mission in India and global sanitation programs have reduced open defecation and made toilets accessible to masses. However, treatment of toilet, water and fecal matter is done by Bacta Cult Degrader. Product application: industrial toilets, western toilets, common toilets, septic tanks, toilets in train, ship, mobile vans, Porta cabins, toilets in school, PHC, primary health center, government offices, government hospitals, toilets at fort, temple premises, national park, hill stations, toilets at Dandiya events, Sunburn festival, Kumbh Mela, global meets exhibitions.